Hey, welcome back to Pray, Plan, and Repeat. I am Chanel. Thank you so much for coming by. So let's jump right into this video. Alright, so as you can see, I am currently setting up my mini happy planner for 2019. And this planner I picked up from Michael's. It was half off when I purchased it. And if you can see, it says, if you think my hands are full, you should see my heart. So that is what it says on this planner. I believe this planner, one of my subs mentioned that this planner came out when they launched their Happy Planner backpack. I believe that was during the summertime. So that's where this planner line is from. And we're going to jump right into setting up this planner. And I'm going to go ahead and change out the disc, because if you can see, these discs are kind of small here. So we're just going to transfer everything to these discs. Alright, so as you can see, I have already changed out the disc, and I'm going to go ahead and put this portion of the planner into my mini planner or happy planner cover. So that is fun. That's what I'm about to do, and this is actually a happy planner cover. I don't know if you can see, but it says happy planner right there. So as you can see the difference in the disc size here, we have, these are from the classic happy planner and these are from the mini. So there is a huge difference there. Yeah. So that is why I went ahead and switched them over. So now that we went ahead and transferred everything onto the bigger disc, I'm going to go ahead and finish setting up my classic happy planner. Or wait, classic. What am I talking about classic? My mini happy planner. Sorry. So this planner will be like, this planner will be a wallet. It will be, of course, a planner. It'll be for budgeting. It will have all that in this planner that will be with me everywhere I go. So let's go ahead and continue. So the first thing I want to share with you guys is this baby right here. So this is just a wallet I picked up from Target. It was about $7, and just a plain wallet. And I've seen a lot of videos where a lot of planner babes use this wallet and placed it into their planner to make this their planner one of those wallet planners. So I wanted to do the same thing, but a lot of people, in order to adhere it or add it to their planner, they use many different items to do it. Me, I use the packaging from my cover. This is my cover. It came in this plastic box, so I used the plastic packaging from it, which ended up being about this size right here. But this one actually came from, when you get this mini planner, it actually comes from behind the planner and is all wrapped up and covered. So I actually used this little portion right here, if you guys can see that, this little plastic piece. It already came with the holes in it. And a lot of women were using their Tombow permanent adhesive to glue certain items to the back of their wallet to keep it on. Like when you're looking for something, you can never find it. Some women I also noticed, in order to glue whatever they chose to use to add this to the back of their wallet to get it to be in there, also used hot glue. Well, I chose to go ahead and use this Tombow adhesive along with my E6000 glue. Why? Because I have a feeling like I'm going to be taking it in and out of this, off the rings. So I wanted to make sure it wasn't going to budge. So I used this and this. And this is how it came out on the back. As you can see, I do have the tape in between here. And then this part here where it looks really dark blue is actually the E6000 glue. And it is dried. It is not budging. It's on there. Yeah, so we're just gonna add that right here to my planner, just like that. So I'll be able to add my cards and everything else in here if I want to. And there's also like a little pocket right here which has some stuff in there. We're gonna just take that out. And then there's another pocket. Okay, so the brand is called A New Day. So that's the brand of this wallet. It's called A New Day from Target. So the next item I'm going to be adding to my planner is actually this little pen case. And it's in the I guess the Super Mom line, I believe that is. And this bag says Mommin' So Hard. So I really like this bag, and I'm actually going to add this in. I picked this one up at Joann's. One of the things I really like about this bag is the fact that the zipper here is red and gold, and so is the inside here. Really pretty. And then on the back of this it says the Happy Planner Girl right here. It's very nice. So I'm going to add this in. It's going to go right behind here, just like so. And this baby might not even come out because it's so hard to put in. Okay, that's what that is for. I'm really gonna be using this one not really for pins, but more for receipts and stamps, and if I want to put small stickers or something in here, maybe not for sure, but I know receipts will be going in here. So next up, I got these adhesive pockets, and these are also from the Super Mom line. I'm not sure if they're gonna work or not, or if they're too big, but I guess I'm about to find out. So this comes with 3 pockets here. So we have this one here. It says, I'm a mom, what's your superhero? So that's nice. This one here says #MomLife. And then this one says store all the things. So that's kind of cute too. So I'm not sure which one I want to use. I need to figure that part out. And I'm actually thinking about putting it right here on this portion of it, kind of like this, so I can also keep important things on the inside of here. I just don't know if I want that one or that one. I might go for the white one, so I want something that pops. Like this one kind of blends in. To me, it kind of blends in, so I know I'm not going to see it. So I'm just going to pop this off. Then I'm just going to peel off the little stickies they have on here. If I can get it all off. Yeah, peel off the stickies. Then I'm going to add this little pocket to the inside. It's like I could do it this way, but I might have issues trying to get into this pocket. So I'm just going to add it this way. Kind of stay inside of those lines that are already on here. pop this right back into here. I'm gonna move these out the way because I am not using these for this one. Alright, so I do have one in here, and I have my little pocket, so that works out just nice. So the next thing I'm going to add in here, I'm going to add some filler paper here. And this, of course, is also going with the Supermom lineup. And it says, Mom and So Hard. Just like this right here. So, we're just going to open it up. I don't know if I want to put all of it up. I'm not going to put all of it. I'm going to put some of the paper in here. Alright, so as you can see, I added like half of the paper that was in here into here, and this is the other half. And it's just white with black polka dots, and right here in the corner it says So Tired. So this portion I will save for later. So that is all I'm going to be doing for this setup currently for my mini happy planner for 2019. Like I said, this will be my catch-all everything personal planner wallet type thing that's going to be hanging out with me, and I hope it closes. We'll see. Yes, there we go. Alright, now maybe over time I might change out the cover, but for right now this is how it's going to be. I really do like this. I'm happy I was able to find it. I wasn't really aiming for this color, but this color is very gorgeous. So this is what I will be using for 2019, and it does have a pocket right here. You can add stuff right there. It does have a slip pocket here and a slip pocket here. Then when you flip it to the back, it has another pocket right here, and it comes with a pin loop. How convenient is that? Very convenient. I'm saving money already from this little pin loop thing right there. So I'll be able to attach a pin loop to that. Yeah, so this will be my wallet and my everything planner right here for 2019. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are new here, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you would like to be part of my little family I got going on here. And if you're interested in budgeting and all that other good stuff, stay for a while. You might enjoy it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you again later. Bye!